After creating purchase orders to track incoming stock, you can track product usage by creating usage orders. Go to the usage section and click Create Orders. The process is almost the same as creating a purchase order, except you select the usage order type. First, select the warehouse you are using the products from, then add a separate row for each product you are going to use. Select a product from the drop-down list. The row will show its current quantity, along with an input field where you enter the quantity you are going to use. If usage units are configured, enter the quantity in the selected units, for example, gallons. If whole unit is selected, enter the number of full packages you are going to use. If you enter a quantity higher than the amount currently on hand, the system will show it as a red negative number. In that case, adjust your usage order or verify the available stock. If you want to create a usage order for another warehouse at the same time, add a new order block, select the other warehouse, and repeat the same steps for the products from that warehouse. For more details, watch the multi-warehouse video guide. If you need to remove an extra row, simply click the X icon. Once everything is filled in and you have confirmed that all information is correct, click Save. After that, separate orders will be added to the usage section for each selected warehouse, and the specified quantity will be subtracted from each product. In the usage table, the first column shows the used quantity in the selected usage units. The in-stock column shows the current warehouse quantity, already reduced based on this order. Use purchasing and receiving to add products to your warehouse, and use usage to subtract products when they are used.